Okay, so now we do a limit as n approaches infinity. And these are the kind of limit problems you do. When you actually do the area problem, this actually is just coming from one of the examples in section 12.5. It's just buried in there. But we learned everything about how to do this in section 12.4. So this is kind of like that homework problem that we did where we were multiplying by the 1 over n in the front. And how did we simplify that? Do you remember what I did with that when I had 1 over n outside the parentheses? We distributed it inside. So I would do the same thing here. We clearly, inside the parentheses, we've got 3 different terms going on. So let's make this. If I multiply by 1 over n to the third, that gives this term a denominator of n to the third. It gives this term a denominator of n to the third. And it makes this n to the third. So now we don't have that anymore. And then we can take it term by term, right? That first term is 1, right? The next term is, in the numerator, 2n times n times n, 2n to the third, with some other terms that we don't care. In the denominator, 2n to the third. And the next term will be 2n times n times n, plus some lower degree terms, over 6n to the third. So now when we take our limit, n approaches infinity, what's the limit of the first term? The limit of a constant is the constant, 1, right? How about the second term? The limit is, these have the same degree, so the limit is 1. And the last term, they have the same degree, so the limit is 2 over 6, which is 1/3. So that's 2n 1/3.